How to make a milkshake. These milkshakes are thick, creamy, and so addictive that you will be trying to drink every last drop. They are the perfect treat for any time of the year. So here's how to make a milkshake. You only need 2 ingredients and you can customize it however you would like with as many toppings as you would like. Making a milkshake is super simple. You really only need 2 ingredients, but do you know the perfect ratio? It can be little disappointing to drink a milkshake that is closer to the consistency of a juice or a milkshake that's so thick you can't get it through the straw. So today I am sharing how to make the perfect milkshake, and you can use it as a guide to customize whatever flavor you would like to make. Not a fan of milkshake when it's cool out? Try me hot chocolate bombs or my classic hot chocolate instead. What you need to make this recipe: whipped cream, sprinkles, cherries, ice cream, grass milk, ice cream. Full fat ice cream will yield the creamiest and smoothest milkshake. Low fat ice cream just is not the same. Choose the highest quality ice cream you are able to find in stores. Milk: use whatever milk you have at home. Just keep in mind that the higher the fat percentage of your milk, the creamier your milkshake will be. I use whole milk. Toppings: take your pick on your toppings. I love adding whipped cream, sprinkles, and a cherry. How to make a milkshake. Add the ice cream to the blender. Add the milk to the blender. Blend on low until smooth. Pour into a cup and garnish with whipped cream.